Transparency, Pardarshita, a documentary by Munish Raizada. There are very few political documentaries in India that can make one sit on the edge of their seats. Munish Raizada's debut documentary is undoubtedly one of those few political documentaries that will keep you engaged till last minute. Transparency is a 6-episode long documentary web series, and it deals with India's fight against corruption and the formation and rise of Aam Aadmi Party. This documentary drama is directed and produced by none other than Munish Raizada, who once was a part of Aam Aadmi Party. Chicago-based NRI Dr. Munish Raizada returned to India on 2011 to join India Against Corruption movement, which was also known as the Anna Andolan. After that IAC movement, Munish Raizada also became a core member of the political party AAP, led by Arvind Kejriwal. Munish Raizada was inspired with the ideologies of Aam Aadmi Party, but only after joining it, he understood how Indian politics work. So he left the party and decided to disclose the ugly truth of the Aam Aadmi Party through his documentary. Aam Aadmi Party's main claim was that government should be transparent for the welfare of people. Dr. Munish Raizada also wanted to make the shocking truths of the Aam Aadmi Party to be transparent to people. So he rightly named his directorial debut as Transparency, because through this documentary film he is unleashing some inside story. This documentary deals mainly with the political funds and its sources. Aam Aadmi Party, who claimed the transparency of funds, itself removed the names of the donors from their website. The documentary also showed the birth of India Against Corruption movement and the main reason behind this movement. Munish Raizada has used original footages from the time of the movement in his documentary. The Aam Aadmi Party promised many things to the common man of Delhi, but they forgot to fulfill those promises after winning election. And this was showed with proof by Dr. Munish Raizada in this gripping documentary. The main 3 principles of the Aam Aadmi Party were financial transparency, inner party democracy, and internal vigilance. But the party failed miserably in all of these 3 aspects, and it is shown in this 6-episode based web series. This documentary is based on the narratives of interviews of some former members of Aam Aadmi Party, some political analysts, and journalists. The format of the documentary web series makes it more interesting and keeps people glued with it. Munish Raizada has featured many prominent personalities in this documentary like Kiran Bedi, Kumar Vishwas, Shazia Ilmi, Anna Hazare. People blamed Arvind Kejriwal as he was not able to fulfill promises made by him. Instead, he added sufferings to people's lives. People lost faith in their promises, to which Kumar Vishwas made a shocking but true statement in this documentary. Kumar Vishwas said that government is not the issue. Selling Rajya Sabha seat is not the issue. The issue is that for the next 20-30 years, mothers won't send their children to protest. This web series also has 3 beautiful songs that were placed beautifully at the right times in this documentary. The best song among the 3 is Bol Re Dilli Bol, sung beautifully by none other than Kailash Kher. Another song, Kitna Chanda Jeb Mein Aaya, sung by Udit Narayan, tells about the misplacement of funds by the Aam Aadmi Party. As Munish Raizada was closely attached to the party, he has successfully revealed all the truths about this political party. The last episode is full of curiosity that if the host Munish Raizada will be able to confront Arvind Kejriwal. This web series is undoubtedly a worth watch, as it will keep you glued to the screen and will also reveal the real side of the AAP.